Hello everyone in internet land. As you may or may not know, my name is Abe Mattiyoun, CEO of Stillpoint Systems, and I want to let you know about a countdown that you may or may not know about. This is a countdown that anyone using Windows 7 should be aware of. If you have an office running Windows Server 2008, this countdown is for you as well. This countdown is currently at 42 days. Yes, you have 42 days. You may be counting down the holidays or maybe even the new year. But here at Stillpoint Systems, I'm counting down to January 14th, 2020. What is on January 14th, 2020? You may ask. Well, on that day, many people will end up opening their doors wide open to the cyber criminals of the world. And if you are still using Windows 7, that operating system, or Windows Server 2008, I am actually talking about you, the small business owner who has been procrastinating on this for the past year. Microsoft will end their extended support for these two operating systems in mid-January, and the result will be catastrophic. Like popping the locks off all the doors of your house and hoping a burglar walking by doesn't notice the gaping hole in your door where the lock should be. Yeah. So, I also understand that there are some of you out there who are asking yourself, what does this all mean, Abe? What are you talking about, man? Well, let me tell you. When Microsoft discontinues support for a particular operating system, they stop providing security updates and patches. You have to understand that software is not perfect by any means, and when it's first built, and it's always constantly going through a process of being patched and updated, but it's never absolutely secure. So when a flaw or a vulnerability is found, the manufacturer, in this case Microsoft, gets their team together to make a fix and then sends out that fix. This process is called patching. Currently, these updates or patches by Microsoft are released usually every month as vulnerabilities in the operating system are discovered. The serious and the most urgent vulnerabilities are patched within days, but with this end of life and this end of support thing coming in January, any new vulnerabilities will not be addressed by Microsoft. And this is like abandoning your home and watching it as Windows gets smashed, no pun intended, Windows, and the building basically gets run down. What's more is that as time goes on, other vendors that support Windows 7 and that create and support your line of business software will likely stop supporting Windows 7 and Server 2008 as well. As a result, some hardware and software that you currently use may no longer work properly, or they may stop working altogether. Lastly, if you work in an industry that needs to be compliant with industry standards such as HIPAA or FINRA, you will actually go out of compliance at that point. You will be out of compliance. So if you are still using Windows 7 or 2000 or Server 2008, I strongly recommend that you start planning your upgrade now. You don't have a lot of time, and while this may seem like a simple process for some, other people in your organization may need some time to get acclimated. Sometimes these upgrades don't go as smoothly as we would like. So it's better to start now versus wait until the last minute. Also, in some cases, it may make more sense to replace the hardware altogether. That's actually an option that you should consider. However, do not let anyone tell you that doing nothing is an option. You should budget now, whether it be for the time or money, to allow yourself or your employees to become familiar with this new operating system. So in conclusion, if your business is still using these operating systems, Windows 7 or Server 2008, and you are already feeling down to the wire on this one, I'm providing a link below. Click that link We are offering a free project plan consult, and there's no obligation to work with us. However, I will take some time to meet with you and provide my professional recommendations for keeping your business network secure. And if you would like to take me up on this offer, again, just follow the link below, but don't wait. January 14th is just around the corner. I'm Abe Madiun, Still Point Systems, helping small business owners sleep at night by keeping their data safe. Thank you.